Good afternoon, folks. Welcome back to the vlog. Today is now Wednesday afternoon. If you haven't seen the last vlog from yesterday, which I got a new camera, this video is in the previous videos. I know I did say yesterday, from today's vlog onwards, I'm going to be flying on that new camera. That camera is a total nightmare. It's about 20 years old. It doesn't even work properly. You can't even see yourself. The food is all dark, you can't even see anything. It's just all dark. Total nightmare. Total nightmare. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save up my money to get a proper vlogging camera. It's 20 years old technology, so there's no way I'm using this. Can't even let you see anything. So it's not good. Nightmare. Try to spend the last 5 minutes to see if I can actually record. It is recording, but you can't even see anything. It'll just let you all dark. So you can't even see me or anything. So not good. Not good. I think it's about 20 years old. Not good. So for the meantime, I'm just having a call on this phone. So not good. So until I get a proper vlogging camera, I just had a call on this vlog. What a nightmare. But anyways, the plans for today are I'm going to IKEA today. Then I might be getting lunch. I am getting lunch in IKEA. So I'll probably get meatballs and chips or something. I heard the meatballs are actually very nice in IKEA. So I might get them a try today. Then probably just go to one up at IKEA. Because we need to get a few things for the house. So yeah. So it'd be a trip to IKEA. That's what I'm gonna call a trip to IKEA. Nightmare about a camera, but oh well. But anyways. So the time is now just after 25 to 3 in the afternoon. Probably be leaving out here in about 25 minutes to go to IKEA. So yeah. So let's get is Wednesday vlog started. Really wanted to film on this today, but nothing you can do. Camera doesn't work properly. But anyways, hope I can get a new camera so I can do proper vlogs. The camera doesn't even show you anything. So anyway, hopefully to get a new camera soon, hopefully, so I can do proper vlogs and you can actually see me. So yeah, so let's get Wesley's vlog started.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love.
It's actually way later on into the night. It's 25 past 2 in the morning. I'm actually going to continue this vlog on into tomorrow because I didn't really get enough footage today. So I'm going to continue this vlog on into tomorrow. Tomorrow I have a clue what we're doing tomorrow, so I need to wait and see till tomorrow. So my dog is currently sleeping on this settee here beside me. So he's fast asleep. So yeah, I'll be going to bed at about 3 o'clock. So I check in with you in the morning to see what we're getting up to. So yeah, so check in with you in the morning. Good night, folks. Check in with you in the morning. Good night.
That was when I ruled the world.
It's actually way later on into the day. It's 25 to 5 in the evening. my mom is in that ice cream shop over there. It's called the Sandals. So it's an ice cream shop on the Newton Orange Road here in Belfast. So yeah, I'm just waiting on her to get the ice cream. It's a bit queue in that ice cream shop, so it's not too bad at the minute. So yeah, so I'm getting ice cream with chocolate sprinkles and chocolate sauce, vanilla ice cream. Delicious. So I'll show you it when it comes. So it should probably be another 5 minutes or so. So yeah, so I'll check in with you when my ice cream comes. So check in with you in.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away.
I have just finished my dinner. The dinner was delicious. So yeah, my brother has just ordered me a new vlogging camera. So we'll be getting it by Saturday. It's due to arrive at his house on Saturday. So we'll be getting it Saturday evening. From Sunday's vlog onwards, I'll be vlogging on my new vlogging camera. I mean, I have a new camera for my holidays. So happy days. I'm so happy. I didn't just need to get then of a laptop so I can like edit the vlogs. So yeah. So from Sunday's vlog onwards, I'll be filming on my new camera. So I did have other cameras, but I spent like 20-year-old technology. I didn't have a clue how you work that camera. So yeah. So I'm so happy I could get this new camera. So yeah, so happy. Saturday's vlog going to be a special vlog, so I say a special cooking video. I'm actually going to make a cake. So I got is like chocolate cake mixer. I'm going to do a special cooking video on Saturday. So yeah, it'll be a vlog and a cooking video too. So it'll be like double upload on Saturday. So also I'm getting my new vlogging camera. So Saturday's vlog going to be called I Get a New Camera. What should I call this vlog? I don't know. I figured, so my brother had just ordered me a new camera. Of course, that Sally's vlog it because I actually got it. So today he just ordered. So I just call this vlog Cooking Fails or Returning to the Channel. So that'll be a name of his vlog. And then Sally's vlog gonna be called I Get the New Vlogging Camera. Or our new vlogging camera. Something like that. So yeah. So happy the camera's gonna be coming and I'm happy I'm gonna be doing cooking videos again. So gonna start off with the chocolate cake mixer on Saturday. 100% it will be coming on Saturday. It's not uploaded on Saturday. It'll probably be uploaded on Sunday. So yeah. So it's now just coming up to 7:05. I'll be leaving here in about 10 minutes time to go back home. I can end this vlog probably when I get home or later on because I have been vlogging for like 2 days. So yeah, I check in with you probably when I get home.
Radar aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now? Where are you now?
It's actually the next day once again. It's now officially Friday. Sorry for no vlogging yesterday. I just forgot to vlog. So it's now officially Friday afternoon. It's 3:15 and I'm going to end this vlog now. I'll probably start a new one soon. So if you enjoy this vlog over the last 2 days, well, you just see me getting up to like all different stuff. So if you enjoy it, hit like and subscribe to my channel. Until later today. Thanks for watching, folks.